Hi everyone, this video is to give you some instructions on what I expect that you do with reading the story Owl Moon. So what I hope that you can get out of this is that you will be able to identify different types of figurative language. This is a children's book. I had mentioned that you're going to see figurative language in all different places. It's not just poetry, short stories, books. You're going to see it in music. You're going to see it in picture books. You're going to see it all over the place. This particular picture book has so much figurative language in it and so many different kinds, and I would like you to read it and identify at least 15 pieces of figurative language in there, hopefully from different categories. You will see the audio link here, and when you click on this, a YouTube video pops up and somebody reads the story to you, and you can see the full pictures as well. I recommend that you go through the whole story once and then come back to reread and find the figurative language. It also will be helpful to have your figurative language notes handy so that you have your definitions and examples with you while you were looking for this. So after you read it through one time, then you're going to go back and read it slowly. And I'm just going to do a few here at the beginning. The ones that I give you as examples cannot count as your 15. You need to have 15 in addition. So it was late one winter night, long past my bedtime, when Pa and I went owling. There was no wind. The trees stood still as giant statues. Okay, now I'm going to pause here. The trees stood still as giant statues. I notice that this is comparing trees to giant statues. Trees and giant statues are very different things, using the word as. So I'm going to go ahead and put a comment here because I recognize that as a simile. The moon was so bright the sky seemed to shine. Somewhere behind us a train whistle blew long and low like a sad, sad song. I could hear it through the woolen cap Pa had pulled down over my ears. A farm dog answered the train, and then a second dog joined in. They sang out, trains and dogs, for a real long time. They sang out, trains and dogs, for a real long time. I'm thinking, a train and a dog can't sing like a human can. So that sounds like personification to me. So I'm going to do the comment and do personification. Click comment and it'll be labeled. That's what I want you to do. Some other options of things you might find are onomatopoeia. You might find some metaphors. You might find some imagery. And I want you to find at least 15 altogether. And I'm going to tell you there are way more than that. And I even skipped some of them that you might think about. And good luck. We are going to talk about it tomorrow. So please show up tomorrow to class ready to share what you figured out and maybe learn some that you didn't see before. Good luck.